Hi! In front of me is iPad 10th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps like Settings and then swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access Dock. Now select one of your apps from here. I will go with Files, hold it and drag it to the side. Then let go, and as you can see, after that I can use my app in pop-up view. In order to close it, you can click on those three dots at the top and tap on the best option for you. You can select full screen to still use your app, or quite opposite. Tap on close option over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!